Hey everyone, we're out here with the Central PA photo shoot group. We are at Lower Allen Park doing a quick little Halloween photo shoot, and I'm super excited. I have my horns on, I've got all my tattoos done.
I'm taking my pants off!
Amanda's taking her pants off, and that's fine.
I'm wearing shorts underneath, it's fine.
And we're gonna do some fun shooty stuff. Woo! Woo. Here they come.
Here, can I get... Yeah.
Parking was fun.
Yeah.
Sunday she gave me Zero. Okay. And then I'm doing just kind of like a casual floating marine with her and my other friend doing.
Now Sam is doing photo magic.
They have a potentially open Saturday, so I'm trying to convince them to bring their critical.
Get in there.
Behind the scenes.
Do my legs look short and stubby? Should I turn a little bit?
I was thinking, actually, could I have you stand? Here comes a whole group of people.
Of people or
Of our people?
Okay. Of people or of people? Okay, can I do the accidental kind of trash shot up? Sure.
It's Bryce. Hello. Kat doing her photo magic. Steph also doing her photo magic.
Perfect.
Amanda being beautiful.
Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm still
You're
fucking
fine.
this, and you guys are taking pictures.
Sam is judging.
Say Sam is... Oh, Judge.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay. Are you near the dog park? Okay. Okay. Let me. You know what?